Hello everyone. Further here you have to get the grasses in this way and then just make a beautiful thing in this manner, like something like origami and all, and you have to just create this beautiful looking flower in this way and then get them attached. Get a flower pot and this is gonna look amazing. Further here tie them together these kind of sheets in this way and then you are gonna press it further, and let's have a look what are we gonna do. You need to just cut it the entire thing from here, and then from the top again you need to just secure it and seal them together. This is gonna look amazing and you have to just make a basket all over. Isn't it pretty? Now let's see what are we going to do. You have to just get it a curvy shaped and then you need to just secure it further in this manner, and then what are we going to do, you have to just get them further made in this way and then get them attached together. Now here you have to get this made like this and get a pretty eyes pasted. Cool, right? And again you need to join these things together and get them pressed further, seal them it up from the top and then get it secured into a pot shape. Make it like this and then get them surrounded in this manner. You have to get it one over the other and you will end up getting a beautiful structure. Isn't it cool? Now you have to just keep on getting it beautifully secured like this and you have to just make it in this manner. Further you need to tie them together and get these sheets beautifully made inside, and then with the help of these sticks you need to put it inside, and this is gonna look damn pretty. These hangings. Keep on proceeding. Now get a leaf over there and then get it partitioned from the corners, and this is flip flap toy is gonna be ready. Further here get the clays, you need to just secure it further, get the eyes pasted and then the antennas as well. Your colorful caterpillar is ready. Securing in this manner, again you need to get the clays and press them further in a bit like this, in a bits of pieces, and here what you are gonna do, you have to just secure it in this manner. This is gonna look amazing. You have to just press it together. Cool, right? Further here get a spongy shape like this and then you are gonna perfectly put the clays inside and then just press the stick inside in this way, and this is gonna look amazing. Now here you have to get this bamboo sticks like this and then make a beautiful pretty looking chair in this manner, and this is gonna look damn amazing. Thank you guys.